Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will take you step by step how I achieved this look with my favorite drugstore products. Yes, you heard me right, it's drugstore products, and it should not take you more than 5 to 10 minutes because it's so quick. This look is ideal for those crazy busy mornings, busy parents like me. I have no time to do makeup, especially when I'm running late for an appointment or anything. You can wear this look. It looks like I have done I've used so many products, but no, promise, it's very less products. You will see in the video that the products are minimum and they're drugstore, and the price is going to pop up right here on the screen somewhere. It will tell you the total price of the products I have used on my face, and I will break down the price of each product as I'm using it in the video pop-ups. So let's begin. Moisturized skin equals to a beautiful foundation finish. This is always the rule. Never neglect your skincare prior to your makeup. So I have moisturized my face and I use CeraVe. This is a drugstore moisturizer. This is amazing for all skin types. I have normal to oily skin, but this will definitely work for any skin type. And this one is everyone's favorite. It is the Instant Age Rewind, and it is from Maybelline. I don't know if it was a good thing or a bad thing. They included a sponge. See, and this sponge, some people are not happy with this sponge because it does accumulate bacteria, and I don't know, not happy. But this is an amazing drugstore formula. So you twist it like this, and a little bit of product comes out, and I am just going, well, that's not a little bit. It is very light for my skin, but I like, if I'm not applying a lot of makeup, I like to wear a lighter shade just to brighten up my face. With the concealer, I am going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Coverage. This is the best drugstore foundation. I have no idea why people are not talking more about this. I have tried the L'Oreal one, but it's not like, I have dry, I don't know, it just gives me a dry, flaky skin. I don't have dry skin, but it just does. So this is my go-to. So I'm just going to shake it, and I'm gonna pump a little bit right onto my skin. Just 2 dabs. My beauty blender, this is a dollar store beauty blender, and it's as good as any beauty blender. And then there's one step. The hard candy. This is the bright sheer envy serum, and it's a spray. So I just do my concealer, and then I dab my foundation, and I spray my face like this. And while it is wet, I spray my sponge a little bit, and this is how my makeup lasts all day long. And I blend everything together. So if you need more coverage, go ahead and do another layer of foundation. But remember, we don't have a lot of time to do this makeup. It's like a 5 to 10 minutes routine. So I usually do this quickly in 30 seconds. Apply my concealer, dab my foundation, spray my face, and blend everything with my beauty blender. And I don't think that you need a lot of coverage, especially when you are going towards more natural makeup look. But again, it's a personal preference. If you like more coverage, go ahead, no judgments. If you like more coverage, then just dab a little bit more. And with the brush, this is my Kat 1D brush, and I am just, these are just 2 dabs, and I am going in. Again, I'm going to take my sponge, and I'm gonna make it like skin. Blend, blend, blend. Just gonna take a little bit of gel from Got To Be Glue. I know, don't come for me. You shouldn't be dipping in the bottle, but I use the bottle and no one else. And I'm just going to brush everything up. It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary. This product by L'Oreal. I don't know if I can show you properly. Right here. This is amazing, unbelievable brows. It's like a gel and that's tinted, more like ABH gel, but this is I believe that this is way better. I love this way more, and this is a Drugstore brand again, and I am going to show you how I apply it. So I open this up and I take a little bit this angular brush. I'll take a little bit on the angular brush, like, and I just fill in my bald spots, whatever needs to be filled in. And it is just, it's amazing. I love this product. It's just, it comes like here. It pairs up very good with the gel. There are very less product I have seen that pairs up with this gel, and this product loves this gel. So you see the difference, and then I'm just gonna brush it up just for that clean look. Again, I am going to be taking this e.l.f. bite size, and I love this one. This is truffles, I believe. Yep, this is truffles. And this has amazing brown, and this one is a little broken, mine, not a pretty shape, but it has amazing colors. So I alternate between these two browns. That's what I need for my neutral look. So I take a fluffy blending brush. This is Morphe M441. But again, you can find amazing Drugstore blending brushes as well, so don't worry about that if you don't have this brush. So I take a little bit and I tap, always a tap. And I need my mirror, hold on. And I just tap a little bit. So we use the concealer we used under the eyes. I blended it all over like this. So my eyes are already primed, right? Remember, this is a quick makeup look, so you don't, if you want, you can go and prime your eyes properly, but this is like, we're doing 2 steps in one. All right, so I'm switching to a voiceover because, hey, I'm a mom of 3, so you can understand. So blending is the key, I always say. And then I'm gonna be using Kiss Magnetic eyeliner. This is a very affordable Drugstore magnetic eyeliner. It's 2-in-1, so it's an eyeliner and a lash glue. I have made a video previously on how I do my eyeliner, and it's a beginner's guide, and I will link it somewhere here. Now I'm using the MAC eyelashes. This is the only thing I'm not using from the Drugstore brand, and that's the eyelashes. And now I'm using Essence Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to be blending the false lashes and my real lashes together, and you can see the difference in both eyes. The other eye is very well lifted. This is the best dupe for the Bobbi Brown-esque palette. It's the Revlon highlighter bronzer palette, and it's a powder bronzer, and I'm just gonna quickly contour my nose. I'm not doing contour in detail. As you can see, it's again a quick look, so I'm just contouring my nose quickly. And if you want to skip that step, feel free to do so. I feel that for me, contouring my nose is a must. Trying to blend everything and put everything in place. Now again, using the same palette, I'm dusting the extra powder off, and I'm just using it to bronze my cheek, my forehead, my chin, everything that needs bronzing. Now I'm using the Essence Stay 8-Hour matte lipstick in To Be Fair on my cheeks, on my nose, and again, this is Essence Deeply Intoxicated lip liner. It is a very
dark mauve, and it's beautiful, beautiful. And then again, same to be fair, 8-hour stain essence, and I am just dabbing everything together using my heart candy brighten spray. Now this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Blossom Glow is gorgeous, and it's a must have. It's a must drugstore highlighter. And this is the final look. It's easy, it's affordable. Until next time, take care. See you in the next video.